Hey YouTube, in this video we're going into another episode of our yard sale challenge series. We've sold a couple of items since our last video. The gem book, which we got for a few dollars at a yard sale.
Yeah, on like our first garage sale challenge video.
And the LL Bean bag that we also got from a yard sale in Ocala.
Yeah, so before this video, our budget was $70.84, and our starting budget for this video is going to be $101.50. So let's see what we find. Hello, good morning. You just opened the door. Yeah,
That's really cool.
it's very cool. Lego pieces and everything. Some little figures. It's not all Lego. Question is, do we have the space for it?
These are cool. Pretty.
Nike cleats?
They're unused. You know, they have no wear. They look good. Oh, these are cool too.
No, it's like a Lego holder.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
And then it looks like it separates the big pieces
You
from.
should get that. That's sick.
Well, we can ask how much. Go that way. Or.
I'm gonna go around.
Let's see if I crouch in here. Cool.
Yeah, nice. Cool. The little screen for the Wii U.
Crazy. This one, though.
Oh, yeah. Somebody has asked about this before. It's a very popular game. Good search.
Doesn't have that. I don't know.
I don't think they have inserts for the new ones.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's just the game. Want to ask about these 4 things?
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. How much for these here?
Didn't call my daughter for this.
Okay.
Ayana, this is 25.
Okay. So these two for 25?
Yeah.
Okay. And then how much for just this?
Huh?
How much
For
for
only this.
just this? Yeah, just in case. Yeah, I want to put these
How
back.
much for the top?
Yeah.
This is 15.
15 for just the tub. Okay. All right.
We
Okay, yeah, and then
and then we'll see what.
yeah, I'll put these back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You get this for 5.
These for 5? So then,
It's more worth it.
oh, okay, yeah, I'll do it. Okay, I'll keep them for 5. So then,
Ayana, this is a Reselling.
8.
Yeah.
So 28 for everything.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? I think it's worth it.
Worth it?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. If this works, then I think, and then with all this in here. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean. I actually think I have exactly 28. So, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. We found some really interesting stuff.
This is cool. I don't.
Yeah, I really love that. It's like a storage for Legos. Very cool.
Yeah, and I saw there's other toys in here.
That could change the price.
These are Indiana Jones toys.
And some Indiana Jones toys.
Look, these are Stormtrooper bodies. So these alone
nice.
might go for something.
Nice.
There's another thing.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, there's little bigger
So you
things.
never know. I mean, in all of these Lego pieces, we could easily part out and put into like little lots. That's a minifig, yep.
Yeah, like there's a bunch of little minifigs. Hello, good morning. Cool. Cool.
That's pretty cool.
I wore them one time.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a lot of work.
Actual chargers. This is kind of cool. And it's small.
Want to play
Store
tag?
it pretty easily.
Like walkie-talkies.
Uh-huh.
Power on.
Yeah.
16.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I tried to charge them.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, this one turns on. So how much for the radios?
All of them.
Oh, 10? Made me an offer or whatever.
Oh, like $10 for the whole
The whole kit and the
Oh, okay.
Pretty good.
Yeah, that's not bad. I won't even. So we'll do that. Let's see. Is there anything else you really?
Not really. I was gonna look at them.
Do you want them?
Let's
I
see.
got a bag.
bags there.
Oh no, we have a bag. Yeah, thank you though.
Well, they're reusable.
I'm trying to get rid of those things.
There you go, man.
I fed all my people.
No. I don't have
Oh
any
my
cash.
gosh.
I already gave you all my cash.
Somebody came with a 50 already this morning.
Oh,
Yeah. Any?
I don't have I have Cash App or Zelle if any of those work. No.
I got. I only got $3.
I don't know if it's helpful to get something else. That way we don't have to do change.
Let's see. We'll keep looking. We'll keep looking. Hold on.
That looks cool. If you want to
Some brand new Ray-Bans.
9mm ammunition.
No.
I mean, this would probably be the other thing that would be smart. Just, I don't know if it'd be more.
Okay, then we'll do that. Okay, then we're gonna just toss in this and
Take
this.
that and that. Okay,
All right.
cool. We're good.
All right. Can I take the cardboard box off your hands too? All right.
Less stuff I gotta carry inside the bed.
Perfect. There. All right.
Thank you, guys.
All right. Thank you. Have a great day.
You said there was one more after this?
Yeah. The state too.
Okay.
And then we'll stop and get Slurpees.
Will we though?
Yeah.
Christina.
Hello. You like all of that?
Yeah. It's like I think it's paintball.
Yourself, yeah. Yourself nice. You can also use.
And then this is just electrical stuff. This is motion security light. Easy to store. These are my picks so far.
Cool. Nice.
A brand new top ceiling
Yeah.
and a motion light. That one's 10 and that one's 5, about $3.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you think for maybe just the light? One of the lights?
Yeah, and with the mask back. The lights.
Which one? You want one or both?
Depends. Want to look at them?
Now if you get to my house
Mm-hmm.
and
Oh, the mask. Here. Like we don't take it. We take
Yeah.
it.
We do 12 for these two?
okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Here.
There you go.
Another thing.
Alright, so you always gotta remember.
Yep, gotta put them down.
Are you happy?
Yes, now I'm happy.
Alright. If you want to make your girlfriend happy, just buy her a Slurpee.
The perfect cure for summer heat.
Yeah, there was like a sign on the door, I saw. Check it. Hello. Good. How you doing?
Good. Is there a reason why you have a camera?
We do stuff on YouTube, going to like estate sales, garage sales. If you don't want us to record it, we.
Do you not remember how many times I've asked you that? Just messing with you.
How you doing today?
Like, she's looking at me like,
Uh-oh. I got
what did I do now?
Yeah, you never know. Some people.
Yeah, some people don't like it.
Yeah, exactly. So.
Let's put it this way. You make me
Thank you so much.
Ah!
Yeah, he's camera.
This is looking. Old computer.
There's no remote with that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, it's
Huh.
$10. It's $10.
10, and then with this as well.
What?
This.
No.
Yeah, how much is that?
Where'd you find that? In the garage?
No, it was over by the TV.
On the wall unit.
Oh, on the wall unit. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll do 15 with tax. 15 plus tax.
Okay, so
Yeah.
15 total.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, 15 plus tax.
Yeah, 15 plus
Yeah.
tax. Yeah.
Right. You got that.
Okay.
You understood that.
Yeah.
I figured you did.
This is ridiculous. I'll just pay you.
It's $13.91, ma'am. Yours is.
13.
Yes. And yours is $16.05.
Okay. I saw a nickel on the ground earlier and I didn't pick it up.
Oh,
I should have.
man.
I should have.
You really did?
No, I should have picked
Oh,
picked
no,
it
you
up.
really found one? You
Yeah,
really
earlier today. Yeah, at another garage
Wow, that's
sale.
wild.
And I'm like, ah, shit. I'm like, let me.
Yeah, because that very rarely happens. You didn't have to shove it in your pocket. There's bags down there.
No.
Okay.
Well, I got room in my
got
pocket.
you. 17 and 20.
All right. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
thank you. I appreciate it.
Of course.
Thanks for coming.
Of course. See you next time.
I'm sure the printer clients next week and 14 Tuesday.
All right. Got you. Thank you. All right, so thanks for coming along with us again on another one of our garage sale challenges. This time we decided to mix it up a little bit with some estate sales or indoor garage sales, as I like to call them.
Yeah, it definitely helps us avoid the direct sunlight, like you saw in our last video at the swap shop, and it just like helps us get a little break, and we still really find a lot of the same quality stuff too.
Yeah, especially getting an escape from the blistering Florida sun that is trying to kill us.
Yep, so in total we spent how much?
I'm not 100% sure, but I will update it right here. That's how much we spent. I could be correcting this if I'm wrong, and we may have gone a little bit over our budget, but that's perfectly all right. If we did, it's not by more than a few dollars. So.
Yeah, but some pretty unique finds today. That Lego holder, a lot of like utility items
so
that
cool.
were in boxes still, easy to store. So really convenient stuff for us to list and keep in our apartment.
Yeah. So, if you haven't already, like this video, comment down below what you thought of our picks, what we passed by, what we should have picked up, any questions about any of the products we did pick up at Y, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching again.
We'll catch you on the next one.